Want to replace your dishwasher's filter? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new filter. Step 1. Remove the old filter from the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher. Under the basket, the filter is hidden under a cap or twist cap. Loosen this and remove the filter from the dishwasher. Step 2. Place the new filter in the dishwasher. Place the new filter where the old filter was. Then proceed to place the cap or twist cap back. You have replaced the filter and your dishwasher is ready to use again.